Have a senior in band. You've probably heard a trombone rag at least once a year from us. I do that on purpose, and this one is just along the same line. Very, very fun. So featuring the trombone section, this is Shout and Liza trombone. Trombones, come on down. The next piece we'll play for you tonight is one that we played probably about 5 or 6 years ago, but a phenomenal piece that actually comes out of the movie theater. If you've ever seen the movie We Were Soldiers, starring Mel Gibson, a very touching and poignant military film. As our band program gets ready to go to Washington, D.C. This upcoming 4th of July, there are a lot of different things we're going to get to do and see there, but one of the things that we're going to be doing on the 3rd of July is laying a wreath at Arlington, which I think is such an incredible honor for young people to have an opportunity to be a part of. And in tribute to that, and with Memorial Day coming up, I thought it would be fitting to do a piece in honor of our military. So this is The Mansions of the Lord. The final selection from Concert Wins this year for you is going to be from the movie Mr. Holland's Opus, a film that chronicles the life of a music teacher as he sort of goes into teaching, kicking and screaming. It became sort of his fallback because he wanted to be a composer and wanted to do that and perform. Life caught up, and through the process learned that teaching is more important than ever worrying about his own needs and what he wanted to aspire to, because he had his students. And this year we have 3 teachers in the district retiring from the music department, and many of you may have had them in one way, shape, or form over the years. Mrs. LaBelle, Mrs. Charmaine LaBelle, out at the elementary schools, Mrs. Jan Rolfe, also out at the elementary schools, and Mrs. Ingrid Stroh, who's been all over this district teaching strings from 4th through 12th grade. And so just as a tribute to them and for the service they put in, I know we wouldn't have the music programs we have now if they didn't get a good start in elementary school and have that fostered throughout. So this is sort of our tribute to them, and also a phenomenal showpiece for a band that's come a long way this year. This is Mr. Holland's Opus.